Good morning, everybody. Mr. Jackson back again with another mukbang, or mukbang. I did it again. It's number 3. And guess what I'm having this morning? Bam, 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 bam! McDonald's. And you know, sometimes when you don't feel like cooking, a true classic never dies. And of course, my wife made her famous breakfast quesadillas, which you see here. Very good. It's probably the steak ones. So, without further ado, it's time to bang. Of course, kickstart. Have one of those. Utensils, whatever. Got my hash brown. Hey, there it is. These are really good. Everyone knows that. Duh. And I need some pepper on my eggs. They do pretty good with these eggs too. I was like, man, they be really hooking them up. You know, they really do a good job. It's that restaurant quality black pepper. It's really thick. It's too coarse. I don't like it. So, and of course, Father God, thank you for your many blessings. Yes. It's been a long day. I'm at work, by the way, of course. I told y'all the other day that I had to be here. And unfortunately, I'll be here all day. Literally. Like, literally all day. There's a party that they're going to have here from 5 to 8. But the building opens up at 9. 9 to 12. So that means my day is gone already. But it's cool. Make some money. You know? Whatever. You know? You know what? Being that I don't eat pork as much, you know, I try to limit it as much as I can, but for the most part, I think they do pretty good with their, you know, hash brown, sausage and stuff. They do pretty good. Tastes okay. Yeah. Gets the job done. A little bit on the greasy side, but whatever. It's gonna be perfect. You know. Clean my palate. I need this too anyway. Yeah. Had a long night. No, drink it. Let me try this quesadilla. Very thin, but it always tastes really good whenever she makes it. Shout out to my wife. This needs to be a menu item. I just was telling her that. She makes some money off of it. Big bucks. Yep. Bacon, eggs, sausage. I think this is let me see. Might be a steak quesadilla. I don't know. Doesn't matter. I'm just hungry. And you know what? There's a lot of people who can't eat breakfast in the morning. Like, they'll wait until like almost lunchtime to even eat. And don't even be no breakfast. I don't get it. I gotta have my breakfast food. I love it. I don't see how people don't. I can eat that early in the morning. I can. I mean, when your body feels hungry, you feed it. You don't try to be like, oh, I don't know, maybe it's a diet thing, but I feel hungry. Yeah. I didn't get the hotcakes. I'm not really a pancake fan, I don't know why. Because my mom, God rest her soul, used to cook us breakfast, and I used to eat it, you know, hot cakes. I'll say hot cakes, but I don't know. I think I'd rather have a toast or a biscuit. Other than that, nope. That's really good. Crisp. I love the way the suds feel when they go down. I'm sorry if I feel like I got a cold. It's because I haven't blew my nose this morning yet. So, yeah. Pretty good. Especially with that. Oh, yeah. I hope everybody has a wonderful Saturday today. Of course, I'll be here for my Saturday, literally from 9 o'clock a.m. until about 9 o'clock p.m. Yay. I would rather be off at 1 o'clock, go home, and just relax. It's Saturday. Come on. Who wants to be here all day? But when you got the keys to the building, you're that guy. That's what makes you that guy. Yay for me. Yeah. This is really good. I'm sorry. Makes you think. You know what? I'm gonna start doing more healthier choices. Well, I'm sorry, let me redo that. Healthier foods for these. Just to show you guys, yeah, I do eat healthy. This is just a quick, I gotta go to work, I ain't got time, boom, boom, get in there, get out. So, but yeah, and some workout videos later on down the line. And of course, as usual, in the event that this video stops, you know why. It's not my fault. It's a cell phone, not a YouTube camera. All right? But I still like to do them, though. I'm always watching them. It's very interesting to me. It's kind of crazy that we live in a world where watching people eat is interesting. When did that happen? Then it makes you hungry. Then you be like, oh, let me go buy something to eat. Ooh, excuse me. I think the first ones I started watching was the, what's her name? B-Loves. You know, she comes on, hey, what's up, my B-Lovelies? You know. And then I like Man versus Food. I don't know why I like that. I'm gonna start doing some food challenges myself. Well, how that'll turn out. No. But whenever I do it, hopefully y'all like it. Who knows? Man, I'm out of here so bad. Pretty good eggs. Mine's are better. So I can throw down in the kitchen. Not a whole lot, but you know, I come down to breakfast. I do my thing. It's pretty good. You know what? I like my eggs nice and creamy. Yeah. Not really runny, but you know, yeah. See, these are restaurant quality, but they get the job done. Can't complain. I had to cook this morning. Just pay and slay. Man, you know what? Are there any foods out there that you want me to do on camera? Leave it in the comments. I'll go find that food and I'll do a video for you. Maybe I'll try something that you're probably afraid to try. Maybe. It depends on what it is. I don't just put anything inside my mouth. Before, hope I don't go to sleep. But anyway, I hope you have a wonderful day. Enjoy the rest of your day. And just keep on smiling and keep on praying. Yep. So good. Don't really look like much, but it's delicious. I ain't even do a thumbnail now. Sorry. Last piece. Look at that. The bacon looks terrible. So transparent, but satisfying. These are really thin, but it's pretty good. No sauce in it. This is a steak one. I had a steak, bacon, and sausage. Might be in the bathroom later. I'm going to pay for this. Whew. Starting to get kind of full. Doesn't really matter. Not even on the clock yet. But by then, I'll be able to walk it off. Hope you guys like the video. Got any questions, whatever, ask me. I'll never, I answer to the best of my ability. And I like to meet new people. I'm a people person to a certain extent. Some people make you not one. But it takes all kinds to make the world go round, right? Oh, excuse me. This building creaks sometimes when you're here by yourself. It's a little spooky. I just heard something. I mean, I know I'm, safe, but still a little unsettling. Especially around this time of year, Halloween time. Not a huge fan. Well, that was really good. I'm gonna be signing out, cleaning up my mess. Not a messy person. Mom taught me that. You guys, I hope you enjoyed it. Comment, subscribe, whatever. And you have a blessed day. All right. Until next time.